Hyundai Elantra 2013 model. Everything is perfect. Race and no warning light, live data. Okay. Why I make this video? Because sometimes we have a car in problem. Sometimes we want to see live data in good condition car. That's why I make this video. Cause see in if same car have any electrical issue, then we can check between this car and that car. That means your car. So different between this one and that one. That's why I make this video. Okay. This live data for engine room, only engine. Okay. All those sensor, oxygen sensor, exhaust sensor, and airflow sensor, throttle body, cylinder, everything, injector.